Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question: can you add and manage Siri using your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2? And my sure answer is no, because it doesn't support Pixel application. So, on the manual it said that you can press and hold on your headphones and or enable ANC or assistant. But I can't change it. So by default it have ANC and I can change it to assistant, and because of that I can't use a Siri. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!